I mean, apart from the obvious, I think we're all sort of isolating more, and I think we're all a bit more insular. We haven't been going out as much. I think you get used to that. From work, it's definitely got quieter, but interestingly enough, the whole epidemic seems to have changed everyone's thinking in regards to their cars, and perhaps re-evaluation on what's important to them. And I think a lot of people have, apart from the value of cars that's been going up, but I think a lot of people have sort of re-evaluated what they're doing, and the fact that they might have had a very special car sitting in the driveway or sitting in the shed for 4, 5, 6, who knows how long, that they haven't really enjoyed and driven. And I think COVID's been that, I should actually get that out. I really enjoy it and I've missed it, but we're always too busy. So I think that's brought a whole lot of these earlier cars out, special cars, people, enthusiast cars, people that, that have them there as a hobby or have them there as a special thing, but have been ignoring it. And I think that re-evaluation has brought a different perspective to those type of cars and that sort of enjoyment. And I think that's fueled, apart from the prices of cars, that's fueled this desire to sort of fix up these older cars and to get things running. So that's been, from a business point of view, that's been probably the greatest. My name is Ben Faggoter. My title at Weltmeister is Head Technician.